Alright, taking fats in your breakfast or even during the day in your meal provides you a great source of energy. That's the reason we incorporate fats into almost all the meal. And in fact, those fats which are really easy to digest. We're going to show you something which is easy to digest and a great source of fat today.
Secondly, if your breakfast or the meal what you're going to be eating is going to be tasty, delicious, also guilt-free, what's better than that? So today we're going to be doing a vegan chocolate chia pudding.
It's time to see the recipe now.
3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 teaspoon stevia powder, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, half cup coconut milk, and a serving bowl. First we're going to take 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and we're going to sift the same until it's completely in the container so that we get a smooth and nice texture of the pudding once it's done. Next we're going to add half a teaspoon of stevia powder, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and mix the same well. Once it's mixed nicely, now we're going to add half a cup of coconut milk. And lastly, now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of chia seeds to the same. Now I'm going to cover the same and refrigerate for about 4 hours. So our vegan chocolate chia pudding is ready, and you can see it's become nice and thick. I'm going to transfer it to another bowl. There you go. And I'm going to top it up with some coconut flakes. Here it is. Our vegan chocolate chia pudding is ready. It's a guilt-free option, tasty, super easy, super fast.
Alright, now if you're looking for a transformation, the few things that you need is about a great recipe and some amount of great information. On the YouTube, on the BodyProCoach channel, all you have to do that, go on the playlist and scroll through down. You'll get to see the options of vegan and other options of recipes. We're done with about almost 250 videos. That's quite a lot of information and the recipes. Alright, being said that, you want to make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell icon, and please do share the channel with your friends and family. We are looking forward to see you in the next video.
Thank you.